walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Yo, chat, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Let me know how the sound is over there, guys. Everything's nice and loud. You guys can hear me nice and clear. As you guys can see, my co-host isn't here, as you spoke about. He has his family commitments on a Monday now. So Monday, New York, looks like I'll probably be by myself until we can come up with a plan. But that's fine. You guys know I can still deliver here with the T2. So we are ready for it, guys. I hope you guys are locked and loaded. Audio 100%, that is awesome, guys. So I'm going to give a little bit of a heads up. The trade alert won't come through. As you guys know from last time, I'm sitting on my PC. So Project G, guys, if you're here, you're going to need to be on the stream for when I take the trade. Be purely, as I say, the fact that obviously my PC is over there with my trade terminal in there, so I'm not trading on my laptop for my terminal, so the links, the notifications won't come through, just so we have that clarified. But otherwise, guys, I mean, nothing really happened on the market, so we're going to take a little bit of time before we get into it. There's no rush, anything like that. We are going to be starting phase 2 today on another account, so let's see if we can get that started on the right foot. Definitely going to be something we want to do. And then also the big one, guys, can we hit 12k subs before the end of today? Going to be a big one. Let's see if we can do it. I know with you guys we definitely can, so if you haven't, please drop a like, drop a sub. Let's hit that 12k mark today, baby. But before we get into anything, as always, we are going to open up with prayer. So just bow your heads and pray, and if you guys don't know the prayer, you can just follow with us. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as is in heaven. Give us our daily bread as we forgive those that trespass against us. Deliver us not into evil, deliver us from evil. And guys, I'm hitting a blank here. My apologies, guys. My apologies. Deliver us from evil, for thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Alright, guys. Even us, you can still do it, but as you know, we'll always come back to you over there. At least it's there, and that's always one thing we were taught growing up. A prayer is a prayer. You can be the best prayer, you can have the smallest prayer, you can have the longest prayer, but talking to the Lord will always be that opening of the door for you. So there we go. We are ready. We are good to go for this session. Intention is there, Keeks. Yeah, no, Keenan. Yeah, mine is there, but we know as long as the intentions are there, the heart is pure, then you're on your way. But yeah, so if we just make sure, just let me know, guys. I'm trying to find the right volume. Chris has his headsets adjusted a little bit different to mine, so I don't know if this audio is loud in my ears or not. That's why I keep changing it. Just let me know if the music's too loud. We can always adjust it later on, guys. But let's get into the markets. I know that's what you guys are here for. So already, guys, first things first, on the fundamental side, bank holiday in the pound. USD, your durable goods came out. Nothing too much really to worry about or focus on there. So really some clear sailing coming through for the rest of the session. So nothing on the fundamentals, really only lining up from Thursday, Friday, if I remember correctly. But you'll see that take part of it. So literally going to be some nice technical analysis for today. Let's go over to the 4 hour to see what we're talking about, guys. Definitely were, as we said, talking about the 4 hour, understanding that we want to see potential pullbacks on the dollar. So dollar being closing up very, very nicely, what we wanted to see. We are anticipating that big move to the weekly pivot, and even if it's not today, maybe tomorrow. We saw it last week. We wanted it the Monday, Tuesday, didn't get it. We basically got inside days the whole day, and then Thursday we got the massive pullbacks. I'd love to see us basically get that pullback today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The rest of the week we have that continuation move back to the downside. So we do want to just keep our eyes open that if dollar can start holding this now, really being grinded itself up, had the retest, held Asia highs. So definitely the bars above the daily pivot, the EQ, the 200 if it finds support there, that weekly pivot, and again that 100, 900 definitely becomes a nice retest zone for it. So what does that mean if we are anticipating that? Very, very simple, guys. If we are anticipating the big pushback to the top side, we are anticipating then the kind of opposite on indices. So indices, we are looking for the little pullback. We are bullish, but the big thing is we're coming off a zone here. I want to see us trade bearish. Our daily pivot EQ, we have been testing them, but I want to see us trade back to this monthly pivot. See if we can test that. As the past, we've never been able to test it this month and hold it. We've come through, came for the retest, couldn't. Came for the retest, this resistance, couldn't hold. So if we can come down, test it, and hold this support, that'll be very good technically to understand, to give us that momentum to break through here and continue bullish after that. So we are bullish. We just want to understand that we want to see a little bit of short-term bearish momentum come in as we see that short-term dollar strength, and then seeing that move come to the downside here as you were talking about, and then go bullish after that. I saw my charts actually a little bit off the screen here. Let me just fix that there for you guys. Keys just pull the right side of the screen in, but oh, there we go. Literally what I saw now. Okay, US 30, we're going to be looking at pretty much the same thing as well, but US 30 just absolutely running away. As I said to the guys, personally, I would have liked it to trade down first and then go bullish. But we might be looking at the same thing as last week. You're going to see when I talk about this with US 30 and with gold. We might be getting the same thing we got last week. So we're going to actually see Monday, Tuesday have that continuation to the top side, almost all-time highs, and then later in the week reverse. So already US 30 4-hour closing above those highs, showing us that bullish momentum. Continuing, yeah. So US 30, I personally would actually like to see the buys now. You have tested Asia lows a few times, held the support, broke Asia highs, held support. So what I would see is possibly you could have a retest of this previous weekly high on market open, and then the big move to the top side over here, weekly R1, where this alert is all-time high. So I'd love to see if we do touch that. You want to see, as always, that quick burst of price action, possibly the daily R2, before any type of possible turnaround. So we're going to keep an eye out for that. Then lastly, with gold as well, guys, we are pretty much bullish. You can see this. We spoke to the guys on the prep call saying we are bullish. We'd love to see any type of move that can do this, break, as we said, possibly, as we said, daily R1s, these type of levels, previous daily highs, and as long as by the end of the day we are closing above the monthly R1, that's perfect. That's what we want to see to then go bullish for the rest of the week. So on the 4 hour, again, giving us all that confirmation, big move above that monthly R1, but this does allow for a possible pullback to, again, almost like NASDAQ, hold this level as a support for the first time and then go bullish again after that. So on the 15, what we're going to be looking at is over there. This is the problem for me. You kind of got a nice consolidation we can see over there, but now where this comes into everything, guys, is you've traded bullish, no retest of Asia highs. You've now consolidated, rejecting off the daily R1, trying to fake out, trying to fake up, and ranging again here. Two things are going to happen. You're either going to get that nice aggressive pullback to, again, Asia highs, where we can get that retest that we haven't got since the breakaway, or this thing is literally just going to fly to the top side. So again, everyone trying to buy these pullbacks or sell, yeah, and again pop off to the top side. So we are definitely bullish, but I just want to look for that retest before we continue bullish. Hope that makes sense. Let me guess, Firecracker is a sell. Keegs and one mark. Hey, there we go. I haven't looked at it, brother. I will literally look at it now. I'm going to tell you what it is. The Firecracker today, we are looking at, I'm going to tell you now, it is a sell. It is a sell. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, it is a sell today. Okay, I think I got the candle then. All right. But yeah, so we're going to be looking for the sells on the T2 today. I'm actually happy with that. I'm not too much against that. Keeks and Chris ain't here today. You're going to take one for the team. Since Chris ain't here today, you're going to take one for the team, bro. Bugatti, my first thing is, so when we say this, what do you mean as in I'm taking one for the team? Where are we going with this, bro? P for TP, that... Hey. I'll see if I need to, bro. I can't just, like, I don't have that type of function like Chris, bro, where it's like he knows there's a trade coming, he just has to go P. I don't have that like 7 cents. Yeah, we have no P for TP. To be fair, guys, last week we broke that idea of P for TP. We broke that idea. Keys, grab a 5 liter. Hey, the Chads are awake here today, guys. So you're bullish for the Dow? Not necessarily, brother. Not necessarily. So what are we going to look at here, guys? I just want to see here how far away are we from 12k subs. Let's see, YouTube Studio. What's that? 36 more subs, guys. Come on. 36. No, guys, there's 228 of you. Yeah, please, if you haven't, just drop a subscription. It would be really appreciated. The road to 12k. I know a lot of you guys, the pip and dippers, you guys jump on, get the trade and leave. So you guys are always coming back. So at least let's drop a sub there. We need a poster of Chris when he's not there. Oh, I know the thing is there, bro. Chris is here in spirit. He's now part of the Chad. He is part of the Chad. Let's smash that 12k subs during New York, bro. That's going to be the difference here if we get the winner here today. Still 10 minutes basically, guys, till market open. Give Chris a wrench, haha. Chris does have it. Well, 2G's trade. I don't know if we can wrench our own page. I don't know if that's a thing. No, you can't. You can't wrench your own page. 5 break even, yeah. You guys should also consider starting a membership option on YouTube for anyone who might be interested. We actually have thought about that. I think maybe it's something we might do in the future. We're not against it, but yeah, it is something guys have brought up before to us. Your goods orders rise. 4% might sell gold and Euro USD. Alright. 2G doesn't need a wrench. First time here, just subbed. Hey, appreciate it, my man. Appreciate it. Is DXY really okay? It is getting a little bit of momentum from durable goods. Let's see, durable goods, month on month we actually got a drop a bit there, but durable good orders, so the core we got a drop, and on orders a 9.9. It's a little bit of mixed data if you're actually honest. Do you show your trades on the stream? Yes, my brother. As we enter, you will see the trades. We are waiting for market open. That's why we're not in anything yet. Alright. Do you mentor one dealer? Just do me a favor. Type in there !G. It will come up with a link to our website, and there you can find our membership group. That's good. It's really there we go. There, my brother, they've helped you out there. Just check there, trading with Project G, sign up there. Alright. I must say, guys, technically on all things, I do like the sells on USD. Much as I'm bullish, remember I said I still want to see that bit of a pullback. I would have preferred it. Nasdaq giving us a bit more of the pullback first. Ridwan, how you doing, Keegs? I'm doing great, man. How you doing, brother? Stove, how are Chris? Yeah, brought in push and talk to Discord. Peter Murray, thanks. We'll do so. Then join the Discord as well if you like. Yeah, there we go, guys. The chat will help you out. Come on, guys. 237. Yeah, I know there must be at least 30 of you that haven't subbed yet. That can definitely drop a sub for us. I'll say Keys, I'm still not going 1% risk on your firecracker. Still only like 0.5%. Nah, bro, 100%. Go the 0.5. I got the Discord first. Yes, thanks. Got to build up the confidence, bro. That's the thing. So, for example, we did 2 weeks in a row now where we just took one loss on it. So it's going strong. Yo, what song is this? Sorry guys, I can't do dubstep. Dubstep is like the death of me. Will the firecracker be made available to Project G members? No, GG. Well, the thing is, it's on the trade alerts. It just won't be taught. I only joined Friday, so just curious. But no, it won't be taught. The guys have understandings of how there's things and parts of it, but they don't know the full strategy. And then what else? Yeah, the thing is, the firecracker and the T2 and that it's actually going to become a strat purely for the community. So for the Project G guys in future, once we decide the testing phase of it's done and like we really back it, yeah, it will purely become for Project G. Communist NCS music is still going on, bro. They have saved us so much, on the copyrights. It's Dreezy, you can figure it out. Peter, so that's my thing. As I said, the one part which I think you figured out, that is the one part we have told the guys. So it's not like you're the only one. Like the members that have been there on certain boot camps, for example, the boot camp call this weekend, it was told to the guys again. So they know the candle. It's just a case of how we use it. Then it's a case of how do we enter and all of these things. When do we enter? What do we aim for as TPs? Stuff like that. So yeah, there's still the aspect to it. Because I know a few guys have tried to figure it out. I mean, there's nothing wrong with trying to figure out. That's good. It makes you start thinking as a trader. Is it always 60 pip stop loss? Yeah, because it's a 60 pip. So basically, it's a 1-to-1. But the difference is why we go, for example, a 0.5% is because we allow scaling in. But if a market's very volatile, so for example, if we have an idea that we might be on the end of a range before reversal, we'll go the 1%, but only aim for 30 pips. So it just changes around. I was gonna say, I think Chris is trying to set you up there, Carl. But no, it's a sell. Your ranges that tell you when to take it is we have to figure it out. Wait, your ranges that tell you when to take it is we have to figure it out. Yeah, so that's the thing with W trading. There's when someone that knows what they're doing does it, I might get it once and you think you have it, but it takes a lot more knowledge. Lol. I'm here every day. I just don't message because I've been mad busy. We have a sell, Chris. That is what. Just trading. We're buying and selling guarantees a win. No, one of them have to be a win. You can't take a loss both ways. See if we can start the week strong here, guys. Basically 3 minutes till market open, then you get double wicks. Indices are heartless. No, yeah, indices can be a wild card sometimes. Alright, let's see. Hey, I logged in late. Can you tell them which commodity you're trading now? US30. My bad, bro. You're not all good. Okay, so sells it is. Yeah, selling, Carl. Keep in mind, you logged in late. Then I said to the guys, anyone that's a Prodigy member here, remember I'm not on my PC, so my terminal, so you're not going to get a notification when I enter. So you're going to have to be watching the stream or just listen to when I say that I enter. But yeah, you will not be getting the notification as I'm not taking it on my terminal. Is it selling or buying? Dan, I need you to listen, bro. Need you to work here, work with us. Thanks, bro. Alright. Yeah, 1 minute 30 seconds, guys, till markets open for the first New York session of the week. Hope you guys are ready for this one. Again, guys, I know I'm going to sound like a broken record, but please drop a like, drop a sub if you haven't yet. We are literally just short of 12k subscribers. So please, if you haven't, guys, there's 270 of you in the chat right now. Please, all we need is literally 30 of you guys. 30 of you have to have not subbed yet. Just drop a sub. It will really help the channel. Let's see you guys. We are less than 1 minute. Alright, let's see you guys. You know, how do you check sessions? Hold on, my brother. Crap is going for it already. Let's see, guys. My brother, you'll learn there's 3 sessions of the day. They work on certain times. You got your Asia, then London, then New York. Just Google it. You can find the exact times that the sessions start. Alright, guys. And for the first time this week, round 2. Let's go, baby. Ding, 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 ding. Markets are open. Fight. Yo, Chad, that was aggressive. I'm not liking this, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta do what we gotta do, Chad. I'll let you know the minute I am in. I'll let you guys know the minute I'm in, Chad. What the hell was that open? Nah, bro, that was even crazy. Nah, it was a rough one. Oof, guys, this is going to be... We don't like doing this. This is going to be sore. I think we might get clapped here today, but... And I'm in, Chad. This one, we might get hurt here today. I'm in over there. It slipped me a bit. Where's our 60 pips? I don't know. Yo, small range today, guys. This has got a lot of room here today. Yeah, not where we would have wanted to be, guys. We've seen these very explosive moves, how they start off. So not exactly where we would have wanted to be on the stream, yeah. Or where we would have wanted our trade, but hey, we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it, guys. Alright, so it's testing us, yeah, it's testing us. It's trying to decide. Alright, let's see you guys. Market might bend us over here. Yeah, I know, bro. This thing might hurt us. This bad boy can definitely hurt us here today if we're not careful. The thing I don't like is that I am bearish, but as I said, we can definitely be trading up to this daily R1. Like on the 15, yeah, you definitely can have a nice move, but on the 15, no bottom wick. So could that be the downfall of this candle? Nasdaq, oof, Nasdaq also shooting up. We're gonna see here, guys. How is our Monday going to start off? Bend and send. That's the first time I've seen that one. That is a first. Are we going to survive this one yet today, guys? Let's see. Not looking too good. We're getting very close there to stops. Said we don't like these explosive moves. We always know how bad they start us off. Is the Monday bad voodoo going to continue again, yeah, guys? The Monday bad voodoo. Yo, guys, imagine this thing turns around now. That is going to be crazy. If it doesn't take us out in the first 5-minute candle, I think we're good. Yeah, Peter, I'm not going to be too confident yet, bro. I'm not going to be... I like the optimism, but I'm not going to be too confident yet. Did you scale in? No, I didn't. I don't have the balls to add another position. I also didn't, bro. I also did. Like, I know that's the rule, but yeah, I also didn't. Yo. US 30 minus 4, Red Monday, 2 Gs, even I added. So we see we good. Hey guys, again, I'm not going to be too confident yet. I'm not going to be too confident yet. Mondays are always... Just off stats, Mondays haven't been our best days. Took support from 0.6. But just say, guys, yeah, not gonna celebrate too quickly. Yeah, this could definitely turn around still and just chow us. It's Monday starting out, yeah. Yeah, I can't be too aggressive on the Mondays, guys. Alright, yo, and yeah. Chat, I don't even know how. I promise you, I'm like in my... Okay, there we go. I'm hit. I'm out, guys. That's me. Typical Mondays, as always. There we go. Quick in and out. Well, I'm going to say in and out. That one actually survived a bit longer. But these explosive days, hey. I see what Keeks did. He's trying to get the 1 leader for the week out of the way. The 1 alpha for the week. Yeah, nah, bro. We get out the way, then we just have to continue wins the rest of the week. Plus, today's a bank holiday in the UK, less volume. Would be interesting to know what the win rate would be excluding Mondays. Bro, that would actually be... I think it would be quite high then. I'm out. Yeah, I know. We also out, bro. We also out. That candle got us. I mean, you definitely should be out by now. I'm interested to see what is NASDAQ and them all doing. So NASDAQ held Asia lows. US 30 at the R1. Gold still holding that level. That's quite interesting. But yeah, DXY is running as well. Yeah. Yeah, not something I think I'd want to be in, guys, either way. Either way, I don't think that's a move I'd want to be in. Hey, Chad. The first one for the week. What is this 4 hour looking like now, though? Oh, this thing I think is just gonna run now. this thing is just gonna chow now. Yeah, no, this thing can still go a bit. Yo, are we gonna have just been wicked here, guys? Is that what's gonna happen here to us? Are we gonna have just been wicked out of the trade? Keys, what's your thoughts on the bar stops at all-time highs for yesterday? Fobs, we spoke about that on the prep call last night, bro. 100% bar stops, all-time highs. If this thing goes up there. Yeah, for me, 100% the bar stops, bro. The bar stops at the all-time highs, I think, that's a big move. Big move, but a good move. Yo, is that thing literally gonna test the R1 and then just fall? Keys, check what we talked about last week, the big punch out of the range, and then, yeah. Yeah, I definitely could be setting up for that. There goes Nasdaq now. Oof. Are we really gonna have just been wicked out? Oh my word. Is that really what we're gonna watch happen now? I can't even lie, guys. I'm gonna be so bleak if this is what we're just gonna see happen now. Watch this thing just run away. After literally, guys, I promise you if I could show you my screen on my laptop, like, I was literally wicked out. Like, I don't know why my entry on the year looks a little bit different. Like, I promise you I got stopped, like, over here somewhere. Yo. That's crazy. Nasdaq, oof. Nasdaq taking the shots now. Gold still trying to hold on. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna put up a post talking about it. The SA brokers. So DX. See, I don't like when they move together, guys. I really don't. I don't like that. Like, this is what you want to see if dollars going up like that, not this. And given you had news, but the news was also like mixed data, so not like the news gave you something to work off of, if that makes sense. 6 subs away from 12k. Hey, the 50-minute, 30-minute, no bottom wick. Keys, I didn't hear you mention about the 50-minute shuffle. Maybe we're just a bit early. We don't do the 50-minute shuffle in the strategy, brother. You out for the day, or you still gonna look? Bro, I'll look for something, but I mean, I don't think I'm gonna see anything that's gonna like grab my attention. We spoke about the volume and everything in the markets they've been having today. Hey Keeks, you still on XNES these days? Some accounts, bro. The trade and the song makes it feel like this is where Keeks villain arc began. No shuffle, yeah, just crackers. Hey, you guys have it. You guys know. Let's see, a guy's saying we are 6 away from 12k. Yeah, the guys, where do you see 6? We're still like 30 away from 12k. I don't know who said we. Where did you see we 6? Hey, the guy's giving us some false hope here. Alright guys, remember what we said, we might take a quick buy at the top here, purely because if we can get all-time highs, we want to see this thing run. After Jay, sorry for the inactive, hectic week last week. Hey, all good bro, glad to see you. Guys, I give up. Now DXY is going down, gold's down, Nasdaq down, but US, I don't know. Live count says you're on 11,994. How? I think I don't know what live count you see, bro. Let me find the live count here. Let's see. Subscribers. That's so weird because it doesn't show that on our side. I see we need 28 subs. Yeah, Chris is seeing the same thing I'm seeing. Yo, guys, okay. Everything is just go one way. Okay, you guys know me. I don't like trading that conditions if everything's just doing the same thing. Canada to impose 100% tariff on China's EV will also tax Chinese steel and aluminum. Alright. When gold moves sideways like this, usually followed by a big push or drop, entering now would be very risky. Yeah, we spoke about that. We're looking for a bit of a buy move, yeah, of US30. I don't like that everything else is going bearish though. Yeah. Keys, one more close below R1. We go one more. Bro, I'm still thinking the bars, bro. I'm still thinking the bars are on. Why not of us? I'm thinking the bars, bro. Because we're getting so close to all-time highs. We pump this and see that push. But just my only thing is your price is choppy. Oh yeah, scrap that. Yeah, like for me, we hold in the daily R1. Like, yeah, for me, I just think the bar stops is the player. Okay, so I might take something, yeah, if we get all-time highs. Where would your buy stops be on MT5? The thing, bro, like, yeah. The thing is, I think it's different. If we, that's what I'm literally, for me, I'm not gonna put buy stops because our prop firm accounts don't line up. So I'm gonna watch it and literally have to manually enter it. Keys, please check your Insta DM. I will later, brother. We just on, like, we're looking at to possibly take a trade, so I'll look afterwards, bro. Come on, let's see those bar stops. Come on. That's all we want to see, yeah. Yo, right before the weekly R1s, is gonna try to fight back a bit now. Of course, take your time, gang. Sure, brother. I'm just looking. What you think will the jump to be 100 pips? Yo, bro, I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know what you study. We're just gonna put it here, guys, so you guys know exactly what we're waiting for. For me, it would literally be your 30 pip. I even say you can do that. Remember this, I'm gonna put you guys not active. Is you're gonna test the daily R1 first. Let's see. Let me just do this here for you guys. Being getting clapped trying to take gold from R1 to R2. Keys, we have a bug on the bot. I'm going to shut it down to debug. No stress, bro. No stress. Shot for keeping us updated. Would you not be interested in going long on the pullback? No, the thing is, where's the pullback? What's DXY doing? There comes DXY going down. Gold trying to hold. Nas. Okay. We might be in for something now. It is daily R2. Yeah, guys, this thing can still be a big move. DXY. This you guys could still enter, yeah, like where it is now. I'm just, guys, like I said, I already took my loss, so I already took one bullet, yeah. I've got only one other bullet. Like, do I just be stupid and go for something else? No, just be chill, be patient, and you'll get your trade. Because this is the other thing. Remember, if this breaks this daily R1, we're not getting the trade today, then I have a very good idea that we're not getting it today. This is a reset of daily R1, isn't it? Yeah, but as I'm saying, as much as this is the retest, remember, we haven't confirmed anything on this retest yet. So, as much as this is the retest, this thing can literally still do this. So, I'm not happy to enter there yet. That's why I'm just waiting, guys. Remember, that's the thing about trading. Trading is a patience game. All about a patience game. Because remember, like I said, this thing goes now. Then it's game. I don't think you're getting this today. To be fair, guys, I think conditions are just absolutely chalk today. Conditions from this morning London session have been horrific. Yeah, these are not trading conditions I want to be in to start off the day anyway. Because I've always said, guys, like that's the thing when it's having a stream and that's all nice, but a stream mentally plays with your head because now you want to stay on stream, you want to keep guys entertained and be but for me, like in the past, like for example, you would have taken this trade, absolutely rubbish things, set an alert, yeah, close to automatize if it does get there, walk away from your PC, because the more you're going to sit here, as I say, you're going to try to tell yourself to take things, and that's when you get yourself into trouble.
Take
So just patient, guys. We either get all-time highs or we're not. That's literally what we're waiting for, yeah. Gold sold off nicely. Let's see. Only thing is this did give us our 1 hour closure now as well. Big move. Big move on the 1 hour, no retests. Yeah. I don't think we're getting this trade today, guys. I don't think we're getting it today. Keys, how you doing? FTMO account, well done on passing phase 1. This was the first trade yet today, bro. Phase 2. Now we are waiting to see if we'll take a reshot, but that's it. That is it, brother. Let's see, this is gonna run out of time, yeah. We are looking for a good pullback to buy. No, we are looking for buy stops at all-time highs. Buy stops at all-time highs. If this thing's gonna do it, guys, we need to see this thing pick up a little bit of steam here now. Because right now, it's not really doing anything impressive for me. I was Naz still dying. Bro, Naz has been on its own mission lately. Have you experimented in your personal experience and strategy? What works best for your prop accounts, aggressive trades or more conservative? Eugene, it's honestly a bit of both, bro. It depends what pairs you are trading at the time. Depends what sessions you're trading. There's a whole bunch that goes into that. You don't hit your buy stop. Would you be confident enough to take the trade? That's not been any major pullback in the run this morning. Yeah, I'd be quite confident taking the trade. I'll probably only give it like another 10 minutes, guys. If this thing can't get to even the weekly R1 in the next 10 minutes, you're not getting that trade today. Because price is just going to start ranging here now. So as much as we're holding this daily R1, the buyers, the sellers are keeping us here. The buyers aren't able to take over yet. We always talk about it when price wants to get away from somewhere, it's going to get away from there. But I mean, look at the test of that 200 test, bang, gone. Now you've got all of the momentum, holding daily R1s, doing everything, and just literally like that's what you need just to get to this weekly R1 and push. Price can't do it. So yeah, we don't start moving now, I don't think we're getting the trade today. then for me it's basically a done deal for US30. Or be bleak because it can happen early in the hours of tomorrow morning and things like that, and then you miss the trade. But that's life as a trader sometimes. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't think we get in this trade. Will you not keep the buy stops? No. I'll never keep a trade I can't track. I'll never ever do that. He says it could happen early hours. Alarm set for Asia session done. Hey guys. Sure. Prices. Literally doing nothing, guys. I mean, look at this. For 5 minutes, like, this is what we're sitting through. Yeah, really nothing. Nasdaq continuing bearish. This thing trying to hold. DXY is, I don't know, guys. As I said, these are really, in general, these are just not conditions you want to be trading in. Is it finally going to break away? Let's see. Are we going to get some type of trade here today? I've alert set and I'll see what happens later. Range of danger here. Currencies are dead today. The news rule FTMO just puts me off a lot. And then not trade news directly, but very often I'm in a trade long before news, and even TPS during news you breach. How does that affect you, Keegs? Yeah, so there's only certain news pairs it works really with. Other than that, I'm not really trading the news. So yeah, I don't really trade news with my prop firm accounts. No trade. Yeah, yeah, I don't think we get the trade, guys. That's all honesty, yeah. Like, yeah, these markets are absolutely chalked. We can't get above this level. So even on the 5, we have 1 minute. If we can't close above here, I think it's already done. Watch it jump as you say, done for the day. Well, it has to close above there, bro. If it doesn't close above there, then 100% you can call this trade dead. Yeah. Thanks for the company during NYC. See you guys tomorrow again. See you tomorrow, man. Hopefully we can get much better price action tomorrow. Because this is just horrific. Yeah, I don't know who wants to trade this. Like, what is this, guys? We don't have any news out at the moment, eh? That this is like so aggressive. No. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's approaching all-time highs. I don't know. Keys, do you think if gold can get back up a previous daily high with a retest large of value before waiting for the trade above the R1? I'll have a look at it now for you. Yeah, if you could get it back above previous daily highs, especially holding the monthly R1, if you can get back above previous daily highs, long as can be on. Nas 100's gone, yeah. This guy is just, yeah. I know we're giving it some time here. I mean, I'm hanging out with you guys for it, but yeah, purely we're giving it time for this. But that's about it. There's not much else happening here on the charts here. So guys, I think it's chalked. Keys in the NAS can reverse from S1. Probably not, bro. Probably not. Guys, I'm gonna even take it away. It's done. Yeah, I mean, you guys know we don't like to trade right about this time. Asia lows, these are key level. We wanted this thing to come back to test. Gold's down and out. DXY is holding itself. Remember, we said we want to see DXY trading still back up to there. So US30, as you say, dying off here. Is this where it's going to have its last bit of energy before it starts reversing? Failing to get above, failing to hold. Yeah, I think this is US30 done. that's the failure there, guys. 5 minutes. Broke above. Couldn't hold support. I think US30 can call it a day now. I think this thing's going to now play a bit of catch up to everything else. If anything, maybe a move back to this big breakaway that we had, where there's no bottom wick over here. Could definitely see that come on the table. But yeah, I think that's just a US30 cooked for the session. I don't think you're going to see much else happen here today. Oh, yeah, now it's just going to range there again. Yeah, guys, yeah, if I can give you any advice as a trader, walk away. Walk away. These are the last things you guys want to be doing now. Sellers have taken over. Keys on my chart, 8 cap. We are exactly on all-time highs. Gold might shoot up and soon and turn bullish. Yep, I needed the advice. Walk away. See you, 100%, guys. Yeah, I think that's going to be the session, guys. As I said, you're going to hurt your brain. You're going to catch on cuck. The best advice I can give you as a trader, walk away. Call it a day. Don't look at it. The charts are absolute dog shit here today. I can tell you now, you're just going to lose money. You're going to get clapped. We spoke about with gold. If you are trading this, guys, what the hell is this now? What is this? That you want to trade, and this, you don't want to be trading this. You don't want to be trading this. So yeah, call it a session. But yeah, that's going to be it, guys. So fortunately, starting the week off on the back foot. We would have loved that all-time high trade, but simply just not getting it. Y'all calling it quits for today. Nothing to trade for the rest of the day. I was doing profit there. I'm happy with that, especially for a day like today. Thanks, Keys. Have a good evening. But yeah, guys, as always, we're going to see you guys tomorrow morning for the opening bell. Myself and Chris. And then we'll probably be, hopefully, making it back with the T2 tomorrow in New York session. So I hope you guys are ready for that one. But other than that, guys, as always, thanks for joining in. We're going to see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, baby. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Cheers, Chad.
Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Faster. Coming like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.